Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, dear brothers and sisters. I hope wherever you are, all is well, inshallah. قال الله تعالى في كتابه ولا تهنوا ولا تحزنوا وأنتم الأعلون إن كنتم مؤمنين. It means, do not weaken or grieve. You shall have the upper hand if you are faithful. You know, we always say that what causes happiness in this world and the hereafter is faith in righteous deeds. The condition of happiness is faith. We even know that this is God's promise that victory belongs to the believers. But at the same time, a question arises. Maybe you have this question too. Why are we Muslims facing problems and failures in some cases? Why are divine promises not fulfilled in some cases? Are these promises false, God forbid? If we pay more attention to the verses of the Holy Quran, we will realize that the fulfillment of divine promises has conditions. The condition is stated in this verse. If a society provides true faith for itself and does not slack of in carrying out the commands of Allah in jihad against the enemy according to the commitment of God Almighty, this is where it will see divine victory and the promise of victory will come. On the other hand, if there is a defect in our faith and we are lax in fulfilling God's commands, we may face problems and lose our hope and spirit. This is due to avoiding the Quranic commands. The Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei said in several speeches that we are near the summit, and fatigue and despair are meaningless. This is the order of the Quran that if there is faith, no one has the right to be weak, tired, or depressed. If the believers are present at the personal and social arenas by relying on God and fully trusting Him, victory will definitely be theirs. In the current situation of the people of the world, we should also say that if we pay attention to just this one verse of the Holy Quran and have true faith in God, we will definitely see divine help, and finally we will achieve a definite victory. Like the oppressed people of Palestine and the oppressed people of Gaza, who by trying and enduring the hardships of the war and with the help of the resistance from even though they were a small group, they were able to resist the Israeli army, an army that considered itself the best and greatest military power in the world. Hoping for the victory of the resistance front in the light of following the instructions of the Holy Quran, inshallah.